Today, I'm going to show you how to level up 20 Steam levels in 30 minutes. The Steam leveling system is actually rather complicated, and many people don't know how to level up either because they don't know how it works or how to use it. I'm going to break it all down today to show you how to level up quickly. This is my current Steam level. I'm at 41. And the other day, I was at level 21, and I leveled up to 41 in a matter of 30 minutes. It's not just about bragging rights. There are some real advantages to having a higher Steam level. You get 5 new friend slots for every 10 levels. The maximum amount of friends is capped at 250 initially, and for every level gained, you're able to have 5 more friends. And this can expand to a maximum of 2,000 total friends. I gained 100 friend slots by ascending 20 levels, and when I upgrade to level 60, I'll have 100 more. So what are the advantages of upgrading your level? For every 10 levels, you get an additional showcase slot on your profile, and you can display various elements such as your favorite games, achievements, or badges. Like in here, I can do my rarest achievement showcase. And there's other showcases. I'm level 41, so I've unlocked 4 showcase slots on my profile. Your profile icon also changes as your level increases. Higher levels also improve visibility among friends, as only the top 6 friends in the highest levels are displayed. Higher Steam levels also increase their chances of getting booster packs from games, which contain trading cards. And of course, there's community recognition. A higher Steam level serves as a status symbol within the gaming community. The leveling system of other game platforms is pretty straightforward. You play a game, you get an achievement, and you get some points or a trophy. And some are rather rare. For Steam, the leveling system isn't as straightforward. I've been playing games for years, and my level didn't reflect it. I'm level 58 right now, but I was level 21 2 days ago. That's because the leveling system is largely based on a digital trading card scheme. There's a couple of ways to level up. You can craft trading card badges. You can upgrade your seasonal badge. You can complete beginner and task events. And you can buy games and gain loyalty experience. The way to mostly level up and level up quickly is by completing trading card sets and making them into badges. Getting achievements doesn't contribute to your level the way Xbox Gamerscore does. I have a bunch of games with card sets and are only missing a few. You can trade for these, but it's easier to just buy them. And you can get full sets for 20 cents or less depending on how much you've played a game. If this is helping you out, be sure to click that like button and subscribe. You probably also want to check out the playlist at the end of this video, which has a lot more tips and tricks. The important part is getting the game in the first place and having an empty trading card set. I play a bunch of games and literally have a bunch of trading card sets. I have a bunch of incomplete sets, and all I have to do is complete a set to make a badge, and each badge is worth 100 experience points. Like this one here, I have 8 of 10 cards collected, and all I need to do is collect 2 of them. I have over 1,500 games, and I could get a high level just by buying cards. Unfortunately, the system rewards those with deep pockets rather than those who've actually achieved something through effort. You can make trades with friends, but that's a lot of effort, and that also depends on your friend's willingness to accept the trade and how often they check their mail. Here's the experience required for each level. For levels 1 through 10, it's 100 experience point per level. So basically 1 badge, you get a level. Tiers 11 through 20, it's 200 experience points per level. Level 21 through 30, it's 300 experience points per level. Levels 31 for 40, it's 400 experience points per level. And for levels 41 through 50, it's 500 experience points per level. If you have a lot of sets where you're just missing one, then you can level up just by spending like 10 cents and then get the missing card and then make the badge. If this is helpful for you, share this with other gamers who also want to join the fun by clicking the like button. If you subscribe, then you'll also know when I publish more Steam tips and tricks. Okay, actually leveling up. The quick way to level up is to buy the cards you're missing from each set and make badges out of them. So go to your Steam profile and then click on Badges. And you'll see all the sets that you have that are incomplete. Click on one of the incomplete sets, and then you'll see the buy remaining cards on the market. And then you'll see cards that are missing and a suggested bid. Click on the place order button, and now I can craft a badge. And this is going to be 100 experience points. So if you get an exclamation mark to the left of the card, that means that card isn't available at all. If you get an exclamation icon to the right when you're bidding, that means your bid wasn't accepted and you need to increase the price. But basically that's what you do. You go through and you find these cards and try and get them for as cheap as you can. And you just keep doing that over and over and over again. But now that I'm at level 50, it takes 500 experience points per level. So that means I have to craft 5 badges to go up a level. So I look for things that are really cheap. So that's the thing. If it's an unusual game that a lot of people don't play, that means that either the cards are really going to be really cheap because no one cares, or the cards are going to be really expensive because they're really rare. See, now I'm level 59. Look at that. So now you should have a larger Steam level and a larger friends list. Now you can go ahead and add some of your proudest achievements or badges to your profile. And to do that, just go into Edit Profile. And then go down to Showcase Manager. And you can change what appears on your profile. Rarest Achievement Showcase, an Item Showcase, if there's a particular badge that you want to show off, or an achievement that you want to show off, you can totally do that. And every 10 levels, you get one of these slots. So this should be the last one that I need to get to level 60. Go back, level 60. I have an extra showcase slot. It's going to be kind of diminishing returns trying to get to level 70, but as I play more games, I'll unlock more cards, and I'll do this trick again. When I first started this, I was level 21, and this was literally like 2 or 3 days ago. But Steam will put you in the timeout corner if you're doing this too fast. The reason that I did this all at once is because my Steam level didn't reflect all the gameplay that I've done over literally 20 years. And so I had a bunch of untapped experience points because I played a lot of games, I just never collected the cards for them. So this trick really works if you've been playing for a long time and just have untapped experience points. And when you do that, you just spend a little bit of money or trade with your friends and just basically get the filler cards, and then you can level up really quickly. If you like this, then check out the playlist on how to fix other stuff right here. Thanks for watching, and as always, I hope you're having fun.